Assalamu alaikum. How are you, class? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, today our lecture, uh, or today we have a first lecture. Just a moment. Okay, today we will start chapter number 3, line, angles, and shape. So, in this chapter, we will learn line, parallel, angles, perpendicular, acute, right, obtuse, all these things that is given here. So, as you see the name of the chapter, so first we discuss all these things. Let's move to the topic 1, line and angle. Before I start, you must know that the basics fact the relationships, like if you have a straight line, the angle of the straight line should be 180. So let's suppose in between this line, if you have any other angles, so it's mean you just minus 180 to this angle, so you will get the other angle. Okay, so as it is same thing if you have a full line. Okay, from top, bottom, all sides, so full circle is 360, so accordingly you will find the other angle. If you have three angles, so with the help of these angles you can find the fourth angle. Okay, the vertical opposite angle, same thing you will do here. Okay, and if you find such type of questions, so you can also find the same thing, because this straight line is 180. So if you have x, so with the help of x you can find y, and if you have y you can find x. Okay, let's come to the basic information, like terms used to talk about the lines and angle. Now points, what is points? Let's suppose if you said, sir, what is the angle of this point? Okay, or the point E. So with the help of dot you can easily find, like here, from here to here it's a straight line. With the help of this straight line, if you draw a line from here, from point 0 to A, so if you know any one angle, so as we know that full line is equal to 180, so we can easily find the other angle. Okay, line is a straight for figure that extend to infinity in both directions. Okay, if you have a straight lines, okay, so if you said what is the uh, length of this side, so from A to B, so line A to B we just measure using ruler or anything else. Here we also have these two lines are called parallel lines, so we will denote these lines like this. Okay, so here is AB and here is CD, both have a same length, but it's look like a parallelogram. Now here is the angle. Let's suppose you are finding angle, so with the help of D or protractor you can easily find angles. This thing is called perpendicular. If you have a straight line and there is any other line in between these two, so that is called perpendicular. So the symbol of perpendicular is this one, opposite T. So you can, if you want to write, so you can write here MN perpendicular to PQ. Acute angle is less than greater than 0 but less than 90. Okay, so less than 90 and greater than 0. But obtuse angle is opposite. Okay, greater than 90 and less than 180. And the right angle, that is equal to 190 degree. Straight line, that is equal to 180 degree. Reflex angle, that is greater than 180 but less than 360. Revolution is a complete turn, an angle of exactly 360. So these all things we will learn. Okay, and these are the basic thing that we will discuss for exam as well as for your knowledge. Now let's start this one. This one, with the help of this protector, okay, you can easily find any angle. You can measure, you can draw easily the size of angle. Okay, so yeah, this one we have only from 0 to 180, but with the help of this you can also find till once 360. So from here to here, this will show on the upper side, this will show clockwise, and the downside, the purple color, that show the anti-clockwise. But all angles are quite similar. Let's suppose you need to find the angle. I give you the angle, like this one. I say find the angle using protractor. So first of all, you put your protractor here. Okay. So with this line, your line must be matched from here, from this point to this line. Okay. Once it's matched, okay, so you will check where this line will stop. Look at here. Here this is stop 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So it stop at 50. So you can mention here the angle of ABC is equal to 50, and it's always start at 0. Okay. Here you can see there is another angle that is from opposite side, so you will take the clockwise angles, so that is start from 0 from opposite side. Okay. So once you read the size outer of the scale, so you can easily see that the angle should be 100. So you can mention here that PQR is equal to 100 degree. It's always start from 0. And see, this line and the line of the protector are in the same place. So as you can see, let's suppose you have this type of angle. So you first of all, you imagine that this is an imaginary line. Okay. So because the straight line is equal to 180, so it's easy for you to find the other angle. Let's suppose if you find this angle or any one of these angles, so you know what is the other side of angle. And if you don't have anything, so it's equal to 360. So let's suppose he said from here to here is 270. So what is the angle of this one? So you can easily find it's equal to 90. Or if you have different angles, so you can find that different, you just tell us easily that what is its right answer. So here all this chapter you just using protector. This chapter will teach us how to use a protector. So first of all, here he give us one example. BAC. Where is BAC? BA and C. So you can see if you draw a line straight, so it will come here. So we need to find this angle. Okay. Other is okay. Here we will tell us why either it's acute right angle or obtuse angle. This one is acute angle because it's less than 90. This one next is BAD, BA and D. This is also acute angle. BAE is the obtuse angle, and only FAE or EAF, that is a right angle. And there is one another, that is CAE or EAC, that is also a right angle. He said estimated side. If we are, as you can see, if we can measure all this all is equal to 360. But with the help of this, it's less than 90. So you just give any name like 45, 30. So you can, once you can add all these numbers, so this all number must be equal to 360. Okay. So then you can get your accurate answer. So he said estimate your answer. You can estimate it easily. Let me show you. Look at here. First of all, he said acute, acute, obtuse, acute. So all these he mentioned here. Then its estimate is, he just write his estimation, and then later on use the protector to find this one, these answer. Here you can write, it's up to you what you write, but this one using protector he's solving. Now what is the size of reflex angle DAB? DAB. So the size of reflex angle is 290 degree. Okay, so you just minus the DAB 360, so you can get your answer easily. Applying your skills using a protractor like someone. Okay, yes. So this one is called 360 protractor. Okay, so how is that different from 180 protractor? It's a circular, that is the semicircle. protector. So semicircle is from 0 to 180, but the circular is 0 to 360. Write an instruction to teach someone how to use a circular protector to measure the size of an obtuse angle. How would you measure the reflex angle with the circular protector? So with the help of circular protector, you can easily find your reflex angle and your one another angle, revolutionary angles. Okay, revolutionary angle is mostly 360, so you can easily find reflex angle. Here is the answer of the question number 2. This protector is able to measure the angle from 0 to 360. Either second part is your own answer, but if you want to write, so you ensure that 0 or 360 marking of a protector is aligned with the one of the one of the arm of the angle you can measure, and the vertex of this angle is aligned with the center of the protector. Whether you use inner or outer scale will determine by what arm you are aligned with 0, and use the scale that give an angle that is less than 180. And the C part here, as you can see, you would use only a scale that give you an angle that is greater than 180. Okay. So how would we use to measure the reflex angle with the circular protractor? So as it is same question exercise 2, drawing angles. Here with the help of this you can find the angles. Okay, that's what he said. ABC is equal to 376. So you need to find, first of all, you know how to use a protector. Then you put on the line, and you can align this one. Once you align, you can easily solve it. So here in this example, he just first of all that is the line. This point is his center point. Okay, so he put it here. So once the line of the line and the protector baseline are aligned, so he will put where is 76, like here is 76, then he put there a dot and just draw a straight line, so he will get his answer. So as it is same, he's doing all these things here. So with the help of this you are using the same thing, there's nothing difficult. Okay, so here just 3.2 is also so easy. So you just put draw a straight line. Okay, and you just put a point that is your center point of the line. After that you just align your protector and your line and your protector baseline. Once it's aligned, so you just put find 80 and put their dot and draw a line. So same like that you can get all the answer. I hope you understand. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.